Is your Jetta's alarm randomly going off? The most common culprits are the door latch microswitches, the hood switch, and the siren itself. Start by inspecting the door latches for corrosion or damage. The microswitch inside can fail, sending a false open signal. Next, check the hood switch under the hood to ensure it's properly aligned and free of debris. A misaligned or dirty switch can trigger the alarm. Finally, consider the siren. If it's failing independently, it may need replacement. Use an OBD2 scanner to check for error codes related to these components. Codes related to PATS or the BCM are particularly relevant. Addressing these key areas will help you pinpoint the source of the false alarms. For door latch microswitches in older models like the Mech 6 Jetta, DIY replacement is possible. Start by locating and removing the faulty switch, install the new one, then reset the BCM using VCDS. After replacement, ensure you reset the BCM using VCDS to prevent recurrence of issues. For hood switch problems, realigning or cleaning the switch can often resolve the issue without full replacement. Siren problems often require professional servicing, especially considering potential warranty implications. Preventative measures include regularly cleaning the switches with electrical contact cleaner to avoid oxidation. In newer Jettas post-2020, hybrid electronic switches are more reliable. Smart alarm integrations are coming, which could reduce these issues in future models. If problems persist, consult a VW-certified technician. Check for updated service bulletins or recalls from Volkswagen, as firmware updates can recalibrate alarm modules and significantly reduce false triggers.